Hey guys, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we've got some exciting news about the Samsung Galaxy S10. So we have spotted live images of the actual Samsung Galaxy S10 out in the wild, and of course we want to thank the Twitter user Venya Gesking for providing these images to us. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. And of course I've been giving you details over details about the Galaxy S10. In this video we're not going to look into the actual details, but we're going to look at these images to see if we can analyze anything that we did not know already. So as you know, there are three Samsung Galaxy S10s. All right, there's going to be the light version, the regular S10, and the S10 Plus. Now the phone in this image is either the S10 Lite or most likely the S10, because the S10 Plus has a pill style hole in the front that has two cameras. Now this image, if you look at it, only has one hole on the front, and it's going to be on the right side. So this kind of confirms that the hole is going to be on the right side of the Galaxy S10s. Some of the phones that we have seen so far have had it on the left side, but this is going to be on the right side. So let's go forward assuming that this is in fact a Samsung Galaxy S10. All right. Now if you look at this image, you'll see that it says welcome to Samsung Blockchain Key Store. Looks like this is just a secure and convenient place to store your cryptocurrency. We're not sure if this is going to be available to all the world or just some parts of the world, but it is an option that we are going to be seeing. And of course on the next screen he's actually trying to set this up, and it's saying supported currency types is Ethereum, ETH, or whatever that is. I don't do cryptocurrencies, but that's one option that you have there. And then he also shows under biometrics and security, there's an option that allows you to secure and manage your blockchain private key. Anyway, let's look at the hole. If you look on the top right, you'll see that the hole is not completely even. So it is a little away from the right side of the bezel, and it's a little bit closer to the top bezel. So it's not completely symmetrical, and I'm sure there's a reason for this. They wouldn't just put it there willy-nilly. So we are going to find the reason later, and I'm going to tell you guys. But that's one observation. So the hole is not completely symmetrically placed. So the distance from the top bezel and the distance from the side bezel is not equal. It's a little farther away from the side bezel and a little bit closer to the top bezel. And of course, this is a single camera, and most likely it does not have an iris scanner, because that would require more room if you want to put that kind of technology in here. So iris scanner is most likely gone in favor of a frontal in-display fingerprint sensor, which is exactly what I prefer. If the fingerprint sensor was in the back, then I would want some kind of Face ID, iris scanner on the front. But if it's not, if the fingerprint is on the front side, then we do not need an iris scanner, because the fingers work in the most natural way. Now, other things to take a look at is the side bezels are really small, amazingly small. The phone overall also looks very small. The bezels from all angles look tiny. The top bezel and the bottom bezel are a little bit thicker than the side bezels, but they're still so small that it's almost a non-issue. And of course, there's no question that these side bezels and the top bezels are smaller. The side bezels are marginally smaller than the current S9 and the Note 9, but the top bezels definitely are much more smaller. But this is it, guys. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is what you're going to be holding in your hands in a couple months if you decide to buy the S10. But if you do buy the S10 Plus, just remember it's going to have the pill-shaped cutout. It's not going to have this circular cutout, so that's going to be a decision to make. Now, other than that front-facing camera, there really is not going to be any much of a difference between the S10 and the S10 Plus. Even the screen sizes on both of these smartphones are pretty large. So even if you go with the S10, you're going to be getting a pretty large screen, but the S10 Plus is the phone to get if you are somebody that just loves large screens. All right, so let me know if you're getting the S10 or the S10 Plus, or if you want the 5G model, or if you're waiting for the Note 10, or are you an iPhone guy waiting for the next generation of the iPhone? All right, drop those comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.